Good morning students, I am your teacher Bhavna Singh from Cambridge Convent School. Today I am going to tell you something about science experiment that is float and sink. Now what is floating and what is sinking? Floating और sinking दोनों अलग अलग चीज़ है. वो क्या है वो मैं आज आपको बताऊंगी. तो first we are going to take few articles. Now the articles which I have taken are coin, key, piece of cloth, spoon, potato, piece of wood, safety pin, paper boat, lemon and plastic ball. Now these are the few articles which I have already collected. Now we are going to drop one by one all the articles in the bowl which is filled with the water, and we will see what happens. Let us start. First I am going to put spoon. We are going to drop the spoon in this water. I have dropped the spoon. So the spoon is sinking or floating. Floating means तैरना, sinking means डूबना. तो now the spoon is sinking. ये डूब गया तो ये sink हो गया है. So you have to say it is sinking. So the second item which I am going to drop in the water is the piece of cloth. The piece of cloth I am going to drop now. See, I have dropped it in the water, and what happens? It is floating. It is not sinking. वो तैर रहा है पानी में, वो डूबा नहीं है. तो we are going to say it is floating. This is the difference between sinking and floating. The piece of cloth is floating. The spoon is sinking. The next item which we are going to drop in the water is potato. Let us see what happens now. We have dropped the potato. Oh, the potato is floating. No, it's not floating. It is sinking. Next we are going to drop is key. Now let us see what happens. I have dropped the key in the water. Now see, the key is sinking. Very good. Now next, what are we going to drop? We are going to drop the plastic ball. We are going to drop the plastic ball. See, I have dropped the plastic ball in the water, and what happens? It is floating. Very good. It's floating. So next we are going to drop is lemon. I am going to drop the lemon in the water. Oh, the lemon is sinking. Lemon is sinking. Okay. Next is safety pin. Safety pin, I am going to drop it. Oh, safety pin is also sinking. Sinking in the water. मतलब वो डूब गई है पानी में. Piece of wood. The piece of wood, we are going to drop piece of wood. Oh, the piece of wood is floating. Floating का मतलब it is swimming. Swim कर रहा है ना. देखो plastic ball, piece of cloth and piece of wood क्या कर रहे हैं? Swim कर रहे हैं. तो they are floating in the water. Next I am going to drop, what is this? A small stone, piece of stone. So I am going to drop the piece of stone in the water. And after dropping, I have seen it is sinking in the water. पत्थर भी पानी में डूब गया. So it is sinking. चलो next we are going to see. We are going to drop this boat. This is a paper boat. So what will happen? Let us see. Oh, plastic boat is floating in the water. Very nice. See, boat is floating in the water. Next is our coin, sikka. So coin we are going to drop in the water. And oh, I have dropped the coin in the water. See what is happening. It has sinked. So the coin is sinking in the water. So let us see once again. Have a look. Okay, what are the things that are floating and what are the things that are sinking? So the floating are plastic ball, piece of cloth, piece of wood, and this is paper boat. And the things which are sinking in the water is potato, lemon, stone, spoon, safety pin, key and coin. I hope you would have understand the difference between sinking and floating. Thank you, students.